What's going on, everybody? It's Reeling with Bubba here, and today I'm here in the beautiful state of Michigan. It is pouring rain. So in today's video, we're going to test out a method if bass bite more while it's raining outside. This is going to be my first ever video where I do a good amount of editing in it, so if it looks kind of choppy or not the greatest, my apologies in advance. But today we're using a Strike King Race Swimmer Black Pearl color with an underbelly spin, and we are also using a Yum Dinger bait or a Yum Dinger worm, baby bass color. But we pretty much, I'm not gonna spoil it, but we had a good video compared to the first one I uploaded, so hopefully this one's more entertaining. Thank you guys for the progress. Hopefully with the weather warming up here in Michigan, I'll get to making more videos. The weather here in Michigan has honestly been a big party pooper, so it is what it is. But thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. I really want this channel to take off, and hopefully my third video will be more entertaining. Have a good one, everybody. Weather here in Michigan has been beautiful. The only party pooper it's been raining so much is that a lot of places have been flooded out, which has not been groovy at all whatsoever. So like a lot of places have sinkholes, it's been flooded out, basements, parks, bridges. The weather here in Michigan has just been something else. But it is a really nice, beautiful day here today to go fishing. Just heard something splash up over there, pop the surface, which I think was just a little bait fish, if anything. But yeah, hopefully we can catch something here today. I feel like the Race Swimmer would be a good fit because it's kind of pretty much in a way mimicking a bait fish. And with the dark gloominess, the color matches the water pretty perfect, so I feel like they should see it, and the underspin giving it a little bit of flash. So I don't know, hopefully we'll get lucky today. But yeah, just a nice beautiful day here, a little sprinkling here and there. So hopefully I'll get the bass or any type of fish in here that wants to bite all riled up. I know I've been coming here for the past couple days and haven't caught nothing yet. I think the last time I caught like any type of fish with a largemouth like 2 weeks ago. So honestly, I'm going through the fishing withdrawals because I really want to catch a fish again. But yeah, just gonna keep on fishing, casting out there. I know it's getting to I know this week so far it's pretty much been in the 70s all week. But I know next week it should drop down, unfortunately, to the mid-50s. Low mid-50s, if anything, sadly. But I'm hoping it'll pick back up temperature-wise. But I do know I want to take my kayak out sometime soon, so I can go to more of the inland lakes and such here in Michigan and flip some fish, you know. But yeah, birds chirping, the gnats have been out. You know it's getting nice here in Michigan when the bugs start coming out. I do have bug spray, but I never have put it on yet so far this year. There's been a few close calls where I was about to, but I never did. So who knows, maybe today might be the day I do that. Oh, I thought I had a thump, but my line was just on the branch right there. I'm gonna try to do most, because the past couple days I've been here, I've seen a bunch of the bass on the edging of the pond here. So I'm gonna try to make a good amount of my cast around the border of the pond and see if we can get hit. Nope. But we're gonna make a few casts here and there in the middle, like we have been as well. But yeah, I just really like that action of this rage swimming underneath the water. Just let it sink for a minute. Try to reel it in at a slow, medium pace. Give it a pause. Just twitch it a little bit. Just to see if that'll get them riled up. But yeah, I'm gonna make a few more casts and we'll see what we can get. I know when I was here earlier this week along that bank, little ramp looking platform right there, I seen a bass and a carp swimming by. But the bass never bit, and I had a motor oil red by Yamato Senko in front of him. He just looked at it and just swam away. I was like, oh, alright. But I would go over to that little area right there, but since it's been raining and everything, it's like really slippery mud. So yeah, I'm not really in the mood to fall down into the water, because that almost happened earlier this week, and I'm not in the mood for that to happen, you know? So I think that's a no-go for today. But we'll probably make a few more casts over here in this spot that we're in. And then we'll probably dilly-dally and wobble down there to see if there's anything we can catch down there. But yeah, it's starting to sprinkle even more right now. I thought we had some nibbling going on. Might have been bayfish or just hitting some. Yeah, we're gonna move down a little bit and we'll make a few casts down there. Got one. Yeah. Look at that. That was like a quick reaction bite. Look at that. Nice little largemouth. Look at that. Nice little largemouth going on. Got a tiny belly going on. Hope y'all can see that, but caught on the rage swimmer with an underspin and pretty groovy, everybody. I don't know about y'all, but catching a fish just makes your day 1,000 times better. Oh, there was a fish just popped the surface right there, it looked like. But yeah, these rage swimmers by Strike King, I love them so much. Cast it more on the middle and see if we can reel it in right here where it looked like a fish just popped the surface there for a second. But yeah, that largemouth. Oh, he just swiped at it. Come here. I don't know if you've seen that, but the bass just, he had it in its mouth and just spit it out. Let's go slowly. Oh. Oh, I might get that bass. I'm gonna get it all right. Just reel this slowly. Try to get the gunk and stuff off first, really quickly. Trying to figure out where that bass went. Looked like it swam off in that direction. I'm not entirely sure. Did I just get thumped again? Nope. I don't know if I even got it on camera not too long ago, like how it had it in its mouth and just spat it out. Alright, we definitely gotta fix that. Nose keeps running. Alright, a little stinker. Might have to put on a new Rage swimmer. Really don't want to, but if we gotta, we gotta. But yeah, my top 3 favorite baits to use are probably creature baits, Rage swimmers, and then if we're talking plastic wise, creature baits, Rage swimmers, and then the good old reliable worm. I don't know why it keeps on giving off that action. We might have to change it out and get a new one, so let's do that. Alright, we put on a new Rage swimmer. So hopefully when we're reeling this in, the action doesn't mess up too much. Because I know the one we just took off kept on like spinning around and twirling around. So hopefully this one won't give us any issues. Nope. It's working pretty dandy. Oh, I thought we had something there. Just weeds. Come on. There we go. All that slimy gunk that it keeps going through. Not my favorite. I'm not just wiping on my pants, obviously. Gotta do laundry anyways when I get home. There we go. It's doing that weird. Yep, the hook came out. There we go. I fixed it. Hopefully the hook doesn't come out no more and keeps on giving it that weird like barrel twisting action. Well, I think we should give the Yum Dinger a little bit of a chance, so let's use that really quick. Alright, I pretty much just was right there, and I just walked over here. I know earlier this week or last week, I can't remember, I seen a bass swimming along the shoreline right here. So if the bass is still here, then hopefully we can hook into him. No, it's just gunk I think I got into. How does this hook keep on popping out, man? Not too happy right now. Let's see if I can fix that. See if that'll work out. Probably make 1 or 2 more casts and then gotta change out the GoPro battery. Sound like Timmy there from freaking South Park. You know what, I wonder if that bass that bit on over there is chilling somewhere in this area along the shoreline. I did not mean to do that. Watch, it's like we get a bite right here. Nope, but we did get some salad on there. That slimy salad. Yeah, man. Not a big fan of the slimy salad. Well, I'm gonna take care of that quick. Well, we got the slimy salad taken care of. Starting to get more, starting to sprinkle rain hard a little bit more. And honestly, starting to get cold a little bit, so I might call her a trip here soon because I'm getting cold and I'm not in the mood to get sick at all. Because one, getting sick is a very big party pooper. And number two, it's WrestleMania weekend. And I am not getting sick during WrestleMania weekend. I will tell you that right now. Oh, just more gunk. But we're gonna keep at it, keep on casting. I still do got 2 fresh GoPro batteries, so I'm chilling until it just gets too bad where I can't handle this weather no more. As long as it doesn't start thunder booming, then I'm groovy. Look at the action on that. That's awesome. Are you recording? Oh yeah, we're recording. I'm back. It's raining even hard now. Water dripping off my hat like the sewage. A freaking, yeah, you know what I mean. I can't think right now. Oh. We went back to using the Rage Swimmer. Hopefully we get another bite before this rain does pick up too. We got one! No! There's no way that just happened. He just came out of nowhere. There's no way that just happened. Let's see. I was like just chilling right through here. That's still recording? I am. Can't believe that just happened. I wonder also if it's because I didn't have the hook. Well, I mean, I didn't. It was just last second, so I didn't really get to set the hook that great. So I don't know. In the end, it's a big party pooper that happened. He was like just chilling along the line right there. I'm gonna make one more cast out there. And we're gonna call it good. Well, that was last cast right there, fellas. This will be today's video. Pretty soon when the weather starts warming up, I'm gonna start making some kayak fishing videos and keep y'all more entertained on inland lakes and such of the beautiful Great Lakes of Michigan. But until next time, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a good one.